Hello, I'm Jose Grajeda, VP of Operations at Tecma Group of Companies. If you are considering offshore markets in Mexico, there is two methods to set up your operation. The first one, if you have in mind establish your Mexican legal entity, you should go through a law firm. They will help you and guide you in all the legal aspects of the permits required by the Mexican government agencies to operate under maquiladora scenario in Mexico. This law firm method is focused on permits and legal establishments. But at the end, probably this will be the high-cost option. Why? Because you will take all the legal responsibilities and liabilities to operate in Mexico as an unknown legal business environment for you. However, there's other method. This will be the shelter option. If you want to prove first the Mexican initiative, this is a friendlier way. You can prove first if your financial Mexican model works under this scenario before you decide to go further and establish your legal entity in Mexico. This process creates an additional value. The shelter option will help you to set up your operation with no liability risks, due that they are expertise in all fields from the legal point of view and also on the manufacturing environment. In a time frame, this is the shortcut. Why? Because the shelter companies already had the legal permits in place just to run your company under the legal umbrella. They will guide you to cover up all the aspects to set up your company in Mexico. Let me mention a couple of general overview on points that they can help you to set up your operation in Mexico. On the real estate, they can look for you on market research and renegotiation of land sites or existing buildings in their area. Construction management for sites, modifications, build-outs. Facilities. They will help you to set up all the utility contracts, develop the layouts, work with you on the electrical and pneumatic infrastructure for your building, so you can forget about that part of the equations. They will take care of an equipment installations. Customs area. They can help you to import and export logistics. They can help you to analyze which tariff cost rules for your material finished product classification will apply. Human resources. They will do the labor market analysis. They can hire all your workforce direct, indirect, administrative, and manager level in a competitive market. Environmental and industrial safety. They will guide you on what you should need to operate your process under the Mexican laws. They can help you to prepare all the legal permits. Accounting and payroll. They will set up the payroll process according to the Mexican law. IT services. They can set up your telecommunications and data cross-link according to what you need. These are only a very few points on the startup aspects. However, the value added at this option is that you will focus only on produce and ship the product. The shelter company will manage in your behalf all the legal aspects to operate in Mexico. So next time, if you're considering establish an offshore operation in Mexico, I suggest to think twice which way you want to go. The tough way or the hard way, where you will take all the legal responsibilities to operate in Mexico, or the friendly way, when you can focus only on produce and ship your product. Thanks for your attention.